This is not a sales commercial. This is a customer review. Okay, so what do I think about the new GoPro? First of all, it looks exactly like a GoPro 10 and even 9. Well, the difference is in the color of the sign and the number. I think that is all. But the build quality is amazing. I mean, the GoPro has a build quality is insanely good. There's a slot for the memory card and USB Type-C hole, which I wish would be on the other side, and I could charge and record at the same time. But isn't, you will have to buy a separate custom door to do that. There's a new battery, Enduro battery, already pre-installed on the, well, it's not pre-installed, but it's in the box. I love it. But in order to put the memory card, you will need to remove the battery and then put the memory card. What about memory cards? Well, definitely not recommend the Red Evo Plus from Samsung. It has a lot of compatibility issues with all kinds of devices, even with the also with the GoPro 11. Well, when I hit recording, preparing your file, what's going on? It's not a camera, it's that memory card, which is terrible. Definitely not recommend. Compatibility wise, look, it's just froze. It's not going to record anymore. That's why, okay, see, record is stopping, your SD card is trash. Of course it is. I have like 7 of them. They're all the same. That's why I definitely recommend the blue version, Pro Plus. No issues at all. Okay, I placed the battery correctly. Let's close it. Let's turn it on. By the way, let me test that recording speed. That's what it is. So my camera is off. Hitting record. 1, 2, 3. It's 1 second slower than Osmo. Osmo is like 2 seconds. This is 3 seconds. That's the difference. But when you hit that button, recording button again, okay, it will turn off immediately. Osmo will give you that 3 seconds time to tap the screen and not turning off the camera completely. I tried to make a live video from GoPro, but it's not available for YouTube. It's available for Facebook. So go to my Facebook and you will see it. And different social media. There's even a custom mode for the live, but it didn't work with YouTube. Some issues, yeah, just didn't work. Maybe the new firmware will fix that. And of course, there's a menu which you can set all kinds of things, GPS and stuff, general. It's basically like in the previous GoPro. Do I had any issues like freezes or overheating issue? No, nothing. Okay, we have a new aspect ratio, which is 8.7. Why do we need 8.7? Well, maybe for YouTube shorts or TikToks, stuff like that. Well, in 5K we can go all the way to 60, in 4K all the way to 120, and in 2.7K 240. Wow, that's a lot of frames per second. All right, let me show you some samples. 5K, 60 frames per second. Look at it. Wow. Look at the wind. You can see the wind by the water there. Like, that is super nice. All right, let's continue. In 60. Very gentle, very nice. I mean, microphones are decent, but I think Osmo has better microphones. That's what I think. Origin lock 5.3. Okay. GoPro.
Patrz! Panujesz? Pamiętaj, że ja też mam straszny lęk wysokości. Popatrz, jak wysoko jesteśmy. Patrz, jesteśmy nad drzewami, Buźka, widzisz? A tutaj jest to wielkie jezioro, co ci mówiłem.
Patrz, Muś.
Jest wielka zapora i wielkie jezioro.
Gdzie musimy iść dojść?
Patrz, gdzie my ten, o.
Popatrz,
Stamtąd jechaliśmy.
popatrz, jaka wielka woda jest.
Gdzie tu jesteś?
Busieczku.
Fajnie tu?
A teraz tam
Tu
pojechać.
są statki, no.
A
I widzisz,
dzisiaj
tu jest taka wielka zapora.
Zamknęły się drzwi.
Co?
Widzisz? Żeby nikt nie wyleciał.
Co się dzieje, Rozalka?
Zasiu, wszystko jest w porządku, mamusia jest blisko.
Patrz, dobrze. Pięknie jest. Popatrz, jesteśmy na drzwi.
Hit it! Let's go. Ah! So in the end, which one is better, Osmo or GoPro? They're both fantastic. It will be really hard to choose between them. One has the better image, second one has better everything. Buy both of them. Thanks for watching, see you next video.